A weekend at home. Scrambled up some eggs, made some chickpeas, and voila. One of my housemates is in the woods at the moment, so I've been watering her plants. And then it was time for some singing and studying. I mean, work doesn't end, you gotta do what you gotta do. And then appreciating the sun, and then I went for a run. When I got home, the sunset was beautiful and moody, and I did some stretches because tight hamstrings aren't fun. And then I did a little bit of studying, to be honest, probably because I was filming this video, but then my housemates and I built a fort.
Get those games, woman! Ow! My glasses. Wow! Wow! It kind of looks... Wow!
What are we putting in the
Rachel and Pat baked these insanely chocolatey brownies for us to enjoy. Look at that fudge. Can confirm the bakers enjoyed their own food. Check this out. Then we settled down for some lock and key. Sunday began with brunch, though not this brunch. This is an old clip because I forgot to film. So I got this in Paris with my friend Mindy from like a little art gallery. Me and my grandma, one of my high school best friends, and mom at graduation. We took this picture when I was, I think, 12. At Lake Monger, the Bangkok political protests. This was in Hong Kong, my first time, and only time in Hong Kong actually. This was in an art gallery in Vietnam. I actually have a video filmed here. It's called Art in Vietnam or something on my channel. With my childhood best friend Jessica in Rome, we've made a pact to go back together. Who knows when that will happen. This was from the summer when I went to New York. I was traveling the States on my own, staying with friends, and I went to the new museum and it was wonderful.
Heaven's just for me, just for me. Been waiting so long for a woman like you to make me feel so.
Rachel and I had 3 kilograms of chickpeas to get through. We were in chickpea heaven.
You shine in the sea of people. Yes. Oh, this moment's so weak. Melanin lady.
Oh man, that looks good.
Covered in all white lady.
Hey! What happened? We turned Mrs. Khruangbin into our own workout studio. Just some good old planks and squats. Sun's out and it's so beautiful. The moon is out. Oh!
Let's lose ourselves.